November 20, 2013 da Fast and Furious movie series ki afawba actor Paul Walker manung matam chadana laikidaba asida magi masing lakamdraba fans singi thamoi kahenki chahi khara magda thodok asi thokrabasu ma dingasi su hingli boy khalli Paul Walker gi maramda soidana khanglamgani khalli khangdaba singda haijari bati Paul Walker Fast and Furious series da Brian O'Connor gi role pukhibagi damak maming yamna thina chatkibane 1999 da career haurakhi yamna yangna maming chatki apaw boy ki adubu maton lomna hingba haibudu oikide mahak mayam gi favorite actor ama oiram laga laikide mahak 12 September 1973 da California ki Glendale da pokpani mapa gi mingsu Paul William Walker 3 kawi civil contractor ni aduga boxer amani mama gi ming Chadel kawi fashion model ni Paul Walker gi sak mama gi changi Paul Walker chamna gi graduate amani acting career di magi chahina ani surak padagi haurakre chahi ani tafaring aida TV advertise to bode yauki masina taki pok padagi acting haurakle haiba yai mahak ase chahi tarani thoi subada TV series kya de yaukre khudam moina Highway to Heaven, Who is the Boss, The Young and the Restless, Touched by the Angel asina chingbani TV da role tawkraba Paul Walker 1986 tagi di film da role tawbagi chance phangki magi chahina tara mari phabada Monster in the Closet film da work tawki 1987 da mana budget likpa film Program to Kill the acting tawki 1991 da Paul Walker Sun Valley Village Christian School dagi graduate loisin kibani mana magi career acting da chathaba pamlammi 1994 da Tammy and the T-Rex 1998 da Made the Deathless movie da kumki matang sida mana lead role tawki matam sidagi mabu pina sak phajana khanglakle masigi matungda Pleasant Village The Skulls kumba film kayada yauki magi life the break funky badi 2001 dani mana Vin Diesel ga loinana Fast and Furious movie kumki padagi film ase release oibaga Paul Walker apaw star oikre magi fan following saruk kaya hengat ki 2003 da The Fast and the Furious sequel Too Fast Too Furious da Brian O'Connor gi role gi tamak sign tawki film ase hit oiki 2005 da mahak Into the Blue film da kumki mathang sahida Running Scared 8 below na chingba film da yauki Flags of Our Fathers film da supporting actor gi role tawki chahi asida Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift puthorak pani mathang chahi 2009 da Fast and Furious 2011 da Fast 5 2013 da Fast and Furious 6 kobada Paul na yam na fajaba afaw acting utki adubu 30 November 2013 da Furious 7 shooting to Tanjada magi car accident oiki amasung mahak siki masigi news asina Paul gi fencing bu yamna nungaihan ki de kabhan ki mana sibada only 40 years da suki mana sikrabatung da mana kumlamba film kaya mathang release toraki kudamoina Hours Brick Mansions masi Paul Walker na shooting loishalamba film singni 2015 April da Furious 7 movie su release tauki film asida Paul Walker gi manau collab amasung kodi bu magi body double gumna sijinaki box office the hit oiki film ase Fast and Furious da shooting tawminabadagi Vin Diesel amadi maga yamna naknaba marup oiki 2015 da Vin Diesel na magi marup ningsing boina machanupi giming Pauline Thonki Paul hongki di haidi adubu magi girlfriend amadi leramki acting tanatana Paul na awaba kaya da su mateng torom ki hai khudam moina Chile da earthquake na awaba taki ba kaya da mateng pangki masamak Chile de satki Haiti da su earthquake na awaba tabe singi mateng da mak team ga konana Haiti de satki mahakase film da tanate taibang da su mi gi mateng torompa real hero amani masini chahi ni phugi manungda sathina phauki ba torom ki ba Paul Walker gi punsiwari adom gi time ki damak video si matam changni yang bibi damak thagasari